So naming covalent compounds goes in the reverse order for this, and you just have to look at the cues and find the prefixes. So P and S, that's phosphorus and sulfur, and then you look at the numbers, 4 and 5. So 4 is tetra, tetra, phosphorus, and then penta, sulfide. So this is where the one change that happens in ionic compounds does happen here, is the first one stays completely the same, like the metal does in ionic names, but then the last one you switch out IDE. This one is O2, so 2 is di, and then O just turns to oxide because there's only one of it. Here, Se and no number, so that would be mono, selenium, and then 6 is hexa, fluoride. Si2, that's di, and then Si is silicon, and it stays silicon because it's the first one. 6 is hexa, and then because bromine occurs second, you don't write bromine, instead you write bromide. SCl4. S has no number, so that would be monosulfur. You could also just write sulfur. As long as it's first, you won't get knocked off. And then tetra is 4. And then instead of chlorine, you write chloride. Carbon, C, we don't see any numbers, so you just write carbon. We do see a number for hydrogen, that would be 4, so tetra. And then we don't write hydrogen, we write hydride. B2SI. B2 would be diboron. Si, we don't see anything, but because this comes second, you have to write the mono silicide. You would get docked off if you missed that. So if it comes first and it's only one, you do not need to write the mono, but if it does come second, then you do. It would be completely incorrect for me to write diboron silicide. So here, nitrogen, there's only one of them, and it's first, so you don't have to put mono. 3 is trifluoride. 2 more, N2, so that would be dinitrogen. O3 would be trioxide. And last one, S2, so that would be disulfur. Remember, you leave the first the same. 10 is deca, and then here's where you change it, fluoride. So now that you've seen a bunch of examples, you can go ahead and try that on your Google document.